Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about how to take our rough draft of the ice cream essay and turn it into a more organized 5 paragraph essay. So we're going to take it step by step. So yesterday you started with the thought of I like ice cream. That was your thesis. Now, when you're making an introductory paragraph, you're going to take that thesis and add to it like this. So you would say, I like ice cream, but then you would add because you can eat it in many ways, it's a refreshing treat, and it comes in many flavors. So now you took your thesis and you kind of also previewed your 3 reasons. And notice how this is indented because now this is becoming like an introductory paragraph. Then you start with your first bullet, which was you can eat it in many ways. And then with your elaboration, you can have it in a cup or cone, you can even have a sundae with toppings. Now I'm going to try to make my first body paragraph. But as you notice, I don't just want to start it with I like ice cream because I kind of want to have a transition into that paragraph. So I might use, first of all, I like ice cream because you can eat it many ways. There's my first bullet. Now I'm going to elaborate. You can have it in a cup or a cone. You can even have an ice cream sundae with toppings that you choose. Notice how this paragraph is also indented. This would be my first body paragraph. Now I go to my second bullet. It is a refreshing treat. And notice how I gave the examples. It helps cool you off on a hot day. It is cold and like a drink. Well, now I'm going to indent again and try to do my second body paragraph. Oh no. Oh, right to there. Okay. So here's my second one. I like ice cream because it is a refreshing treat. It helps cool you off on a hot day. It is like a cold drink when you are thirsty. Notice here I had first of all, now I want to have second. That's another transition word. Second, I like ice cream because it is a refreshing treat. It helps cool you off on a hot day. It's like a cold drink when you are thirsty. So now I have 3 paragraphs so far. Introduction, body 1, body 2. I have a third bullet, which is ice cream comes in many flavors, and then all of my elaboration about the flavors, the examples of my flavors. Now I'm going to take that and turn it into my third body paragraph. I like ice cream because it comes in many flavors. Some flavors that you can have are cookies and cream, strawberry, vanilla. I even had a flavor called carrot cake. But I didn't want to just start it off like that because otherwise it would be I like ice cream, I like ice cream, I like ice cream. So let's review. First of all, I like ice cream. Second, I like ice cream. And most of all, or third, or my last reason, those are all different transitions. I like ice cream because it comes in many flavors. Some flavors that you can have are cookies and cream, strawberry and vanilla. I even had a flavor called carrot cake. So now I have all of my ideas. But notice I have to go to my conclusion, which is where I say my thesis again. This is why I like ice cream. But notice, I don't want to just say that because that's a boring way. I want to give a transition into it. So I might do something like, in conclusion, I like ice cream for many reasons. It can be eaten in a lot of ways, it is a refreshing snack, and it comes in so many different flavors. Notice what I end it with, like a little final little thing to think about. I mean, who doesn't love ice cream? So, every paragraph, as you can notice, kind of builds, I indent on all of these paragraphs. Boom, boom. So there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The conclusion restates my thesis. I kind of sum up my 3 reasons again, and I kind of add a little final thought at the end. So that is how you can take this and structure it into 5 paragraphs. If you look at it in the final way, it's really going to look like this. You're going to have all of these things into a 5-paragraph essay, and I will try to show you like that. So you have this beautiful 5-paragraph structure. I like ice cream because you can eat it in many ways. It's a refreshing treat and it comes in many flavors. First of all, I like ice cream because you can eat it in many ways. You can have it in a cup or a cone. You can even have ice cream sundae with toppings that you choose. Second, I like ice cream because it is a refreshing treat. It helps cool you off on a hot day. It is like a cold drink when you are thirsty. Most of all, I like ice cream because it comes in many flavors. Some flavors that you can have are cookies and cream, strawberry, and vanilla. I even had a flavor called carrot cake. In conclusion, I like ice cream for many reasons. It can be eaten in a lot of ways, it is a refreshing snack, and it comes in so many different flavors. I mean, who doesn't love ice cream? So there is my beautiful 5-paragraph essay. I hope this makes sense. You can rewatch it. And now you're going to write your 5-paragraph essay, making sure you indent it and that you have all the parts that you need. Good job.